Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I have an unboxing to do. An unboxing to do. I was going to say a, and then I switched it to an. And I believe it's from Peachy. Yes, it is, and I am excited because they had a Julie Nutting Peachy. And you guys, if you guys know that I love Julie Nutting. And this was her ephemera pack. So this is every month. So let's see. Oh, maybe it's not every month. No, I guess it's missing the January, February. Well, that's crazy. Let me just double check it's not still in there. Maybe it just didn't come with it. I guess it didn't. So we have March and April, and it's just, not just, but it's ephemera that looks like the little doll. And then it says spring, March, sing, April, bestest day ever. And I just thought it was so sweet. Take time to smell the flowers. Oh, it's just super cute. There's 108 pieces in there. So then May and June obviously is gorgeous. And I love that there's more than one of everything in here, at least I think, because I see two of these, which makes me very happy. So I am excited about these. May and June. And I know she has some new stamps that I do not have yet, including like mermaids and such. I don't know if I'm going to get those. I really like the dolls. I have like every one of them that I've wanted. And I'm not really sure if I'm going to get all of the rest or not. I don't know. I haven't decided. Because I need to use the ones that I have. And the ones that she's coming out with don't necessarily look like the regular dolls. So I am excited about these. This one says Merry Christmas, and there's one of the little dolls all dressed up. Oh, and I love the deer. So I know that this isn't probably the best unboxing because I'm not showing you all of them, so maybe I should show at least some from each one or something like that. Oh goodness, they're still in a package. And these coordinate, it says, with planner paper pads. So I'm not going to go ahead and open all of these. I will take them out of that package. Maybe you can see them a little bit better, but I don't want to take them out until I start to actually use them. I thought it would be easier. So it looks like there might be two packages with the same things in them, but I am not positive on that. I really can't tell. But there are two packages. So this was from Peachy. I think that this was like one of the $10 Peachy. But if you guys aren't familiar with Peachy, see, this one looks like it's the same in both. But, so I don't know. I'm hoping that you get two of everything. That would be fabulous. Peachy, if you sign up for them, peachycheap.com, they send you an email every day with, or every weekday, I think, with a discounted something. And you can choose to order it. And if you don't want to, you just ignore the email and go about your day. But if you want to, you can order it and they'll send it to you. The catch, if you want to call it one with them, is that they do charge shipping. So you get kind of excited sometimes that you see something for $9.99 and you're like, yay, and then you go in and you have to pay shipping and all of that. So it ends up being maybe closer to $15, but I still think it's a good deal occasionally. I don't always think they're good deals, but I do find them to be good deals a lot. And I'm thinking that this is two of the same. Maybe I will open one so that we can all see. I'm going to open this one because I love this girl. Trying to figure out if there's a way to open it without, so I can close it again, but it doesn't look like it. Okay, so here's the girl and a teapot, a butterfly. Pink is always a good idea. Love, do what you love, a little shirt, an ice cream cone. Some of these may be hard to see on this. Fun in the sun, some sunglasses, summer love, June, fun day, purse, flippies, hello summer, another little purse, mom, a little girl, a shoe, a boat drink, a raspberry, this girl, and this girl. I love my girls. Another purse, queen, flippies, hello summer, or something like that. Hello lovely lady, May, number 5, let's do this. So lots of little things, and then in here there's still a few little things. So just fun little ephemera. So let me see if this next one has the same or similar. You guys are you guys are maybe gonna have to help me to see if you see the same things that I see. So you kind of have to remember what we saw in that one. And here are the lips, and that girl, that girl, that girl, that girl, and this beauty. So I kind of think, yes, I am thinking that this is the same. So that is lovely that we get 2 of each, because I hate using the last one of things sometimes. I'm so weird like that. June. Yeah, so what do you guys think? I think it's the same. So that's nice to know. You get 2 packages of everything. So that's kind of a lot of stuff, and it's nice. So it says that it goes with the planner, but with the planner pad. So I'm not even sure what that is. That's how I have not been paying attention to my crafting world right now. So I don't know what Julie Netting has come up with, other than I know the mermaid thing. And I know I have her one planner, but I really haven't been using it, as you guys know. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to like use this in the planner. If that, not supposed to. I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's crafting. There's no wrong way to do it. But, you know, I don't know if that was her intention when she made these, thinking that, you know, since it says that it goes with the planner pad. I guess that's what I'm trying to get at. So those are the goodies, and I am loving them. And I love that I got all of them, except for the January, February. I'm going to have to hunt that one out still and get that. Maybe I can make this stick to both sides so that they at least hopefully won't fall completely out. And that is that. So here are all of my goodies. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.